Yeah, we don't do Ikpoba local government, will be one of the 18 local government for Edo State. When it be say the local government will be say the result and the last result where they can collect where Okpebholo Monday can't win as the governor-elect of Edo State for the September 21st election 2024. When it be say by November 12th, he will take the matter of leadership for Edo State, whereby Godin Obaseki, he will waka leave the state. Make another party, another government come. Now be said, Edo people vote for Monday Okpebholo. And today, one of the leaders for the 18 local government, where we say they control Ikpoba local government, where everybody know as Osarobo the Great, when the father name now Idahosa, he can turn out today, everybody can come in house, begin celebrate with him. Say, Oga, you be Oga, pata. When it be said your vote, the vote will be said they put for the state, for the local government, it can be over 60,000. Even some areas when he believes say they do wuru, they say the matter for pass like that. Now area where we say they not collect, where we say some people scatter. Therefore, even pass 60,000 votes. And we tell that with for his house today, when he be say everybody, even other persons for other political parties, come jollificate with us to celebrate with us, say as he talk him, that's so he be. And today we there with Osarobo Idahosa, the leader of Ikpoba APC. Idahosa, we greet you.
Thank you, my brother. Good evening, my brother.
I know say your mind don't dey cool, not be small.
Not be small thing, my brother.
So how now to prepare for this election where we say can carry get victory given us today?
You see, we all dey been here. We all are from Edo. We know the past government, IFB. We see this one IB. You know, say if person never married two wives, you not gonna know the one with a good pass. So Edo people don't first see IB. They know as Oshomole government be. As Obaseki government still come, they still know IB. So Edo people decide to vote for anybody Oshomole support because Oshomole government better part is Obaseki government. Edo people need development. Now make them vote APC because APC now for development. Okpebholo, Monday Okpebholo, the governor elect today. He never be politician and always actually do things for Edo Central where for come. He don't use his own money do road. He don't use his own money develop school. He don't use money do many things. Maybe say he not even carry camera, take the video around. He don't do so many things. He not give people interview. He don't empower people. Human infrastructure. Everything don't do so many things. Maybe say the people where he do say he do one for the still testify till today. So now make as he come and say he need support, he need their vote. So all of them come out to support him and make them vote for him.
So what do they expect from Okpebholo when he go do, when he come pass, waiting Obaseki don't do for Edo State for almost 8 years today?
To me, I never really see what Obaseki do than the sports session. Because the truth to be said, we'll talk as it be. Me as sportsman, for that football session, that belly insurance, he try well. I give 100% for that one. For that secretariat, he try for that one. Any other thing, I'm not saying anything to do. He say he will give us Gelegele, we not see him. He say he will give us industrial park for my local government, we not see him. So many other things he promised, we not see him. Only what I see and I know, maybe that belly insurance and that secretariat.
Okay, I be no one double into politics way play now jollification way be say you invite us come. Now make us there with you here. You say not do anything for your local government where you see at all. Then for sports area, it do ogbonge things and you dey celebrate them for that area. For secretariat building, civil service building, it do agidigbabi according to you. But I know say a motor guard do your local government. That's one. I know say the one before Ologbo, whether they call some or they your local government, that's two. And I know say industrial park, proposed industrial park, it do your local government, that's three. I remember I said save your road where they do come up for the other side. Now you do one for your local government, that's four. And I remember judiciary building where they do for Pasakmomba for Idobo. Now you do one, that's five. So then I can see some police station where they destroy during NSAS, where we say a SOPA they under government, they reactivate today. Where we say they can't even get what's it called? Zona regional area for police for Ubekun. That one they there. But you say you not do anything for your local government. And I don't name all these things. How you see all these ones we do for your local government?
You see that motor garden where you talk. Now for social media or for television, like the garden they exist. Once you reach there, not there on ground. If it's there on ground, it's supposed to be a popular place everybody go know. Nobody stay there. Because nobody feels there because the place, they never had one. Idahosa park where they talk, so as they talk now, like kidnapper them. People kidnapper and armed robber the high court is never done. The whole summer way they talk now, from my own understanding, not the government one. Government only make provision for the land. Now what I understand with that, say not the government get to someone. So not being do that one. So any other one way they talk, for Ikpoba way they talk, me not see anything they do for Ikpoba. And Ikpoba na a place where they give and vote for that last one, the first time. You remember I said this governor, now Shomole first use all of us support her. All of us do everything by everything to support her. Now we can't be governor for that first tenure. But the second tenure, many of us not support her. Benin people support her because of they want to make complete the tenure. So we agree. Now you don't complete the tenure. From the first to second tenure work they do, we not see any chargeable thing. We will feel say, maybe the next governor, Okpebholo, may start from there. So many things what we see now, where Oshomole for stop, and just Okpebholo won't start. Because any other thing we do, I feel say, man, na rubbish. We have to restart from where Oshomole stop.
Okay, but we come out for waiting Obaseki don't do more, come back to your party. People not expect say the vote on Apu come out. With the quarrel katakata with the Ikpoba, yourself, Idia Agboima, Victor Ekato, and some other persons here and there and all that. This vote on Apu, so how not they come together, make sure say people vote for your party for this local government?
You know, politics now about interest. Once you love your party, you will forget any other personal interest where you do. So months to election, all of us put ourselves together and say, no time for we to the quarrel up and down. What will they quarrel for? We will leave our quarrel and all those our different agenda where everybody gets. We will work for the party. So we conclude, now make all of us, okay, this time around, we will see what we fit do. What we do, we get over 16,000 votes. To me, pass. It passed. They cancel one local government for one of our local government, which is Ward 2. There's some of our results. Ward 2, they cancel it for entire Ward 2. For our Ward 10, it gets some units where we win, they cancel that. And the same Ward 10, our result where we did there, we hear say some people call carrier that night. Say that they come Western Boys. All of us go Western Boys that night. We did it till daybreak, we not see the result, they not carry account there. So those one join why you see say Bobaka results, they could call and last. And like Bobaka the host, we're supposed to call. Because we could finish voting for Bobaka. Before 1:32, we don't vote finish for Bobaka. So all those one join the reason why they not fit call her. Because of many interests. Mago and many interests we did. So now they could do like that. We not lost reach like that. We know.
Now, Okpebholo, according to what you talk just now, say, if they can't start where Oshomole for stop 2016, Abi?
Yes.
Now, more enter your local government. Because you are so concerned by your local. I never see from that local government one day. Say you they will sit down with another person. They will go, they do some kind of things, they interfere for that local government. You always did this your base. And this your base can be like a guy for you. You value this area. Most start from Ward 1. For Ward 1, people they live for a radio for Ute, they suffer for roads today. People they live for Ward 2, it not linked, it not linked anywhere. It work but they suffer today for road today. People they live for Ward 3, if you go behind Benin Depot, they suffer today. People they live for Ward 4, if you see behind that cattle market, they suffer today. People they live Ward 5, people if you take Uwa Road, come down to St. Saviour, there are some parts of area where we say erosion don't cut, it don't suffer today. More come Ward 6, you can see and say that to Maize Road area, it gets some area where erosion pursue people go come out for behind Upper Sakmomba. More come Ward 7. Ward 7, I believe say some areas go today where we say it dey gidigba. But you want bring up Okpebholo, even comes Ward 7 to reactivate to a better level. More go Ward 8. It get down by bypass for Ikpe. If you see some areas where they're not like saying Bobaka that place be, no roads for that place. Then more come Ward 9. If you go place like bypass where you go for Oro, Abi, what if you want community where they inside 1 and 2, the road today, you know the leprosy pass, only drives in the leprosy pass. Then Ward 10, let's assume say na one way in a river area. There are some areas where road where we say it never reactivate. How you go fit bring Okpebholo government come this from Ward 1 to 10? When it be say, Osarobo, Idahosa, and I be the leader of that local government with some other party members and some other leaders. The way Okpebholo take answer for road matter because Bobaka need roads. Industrialized area they already make some effect. How you go fit activate Okpebholo to answer you for your local government? When they inaugurate her, when it does start to make power, when it don't be governor?
Our major problem for Ikpoba here, Okpebholo no, because he campaign. All these words where he measures for Ward 1 to 10, Okpebholo campaign. So he use the IC and say no road. Some place they will say our motor sink. You see am. So when you say road or no road, all those things, that will not be only Bobaka.
We
Today,
talk about your local government.
today,
Yes.
Bobaka like concern me.
Yes.
Bobaka now for be leader for APC. Bobaka now there for bomb me. All my investments, my houses, everything at Bobaka now I put all of them. I know they come out for this local government because I mean well for this local government. But you know if you do it with your own resources. So you must need government support.
And the government support who they talk
Now we don't get the government support.
Yes.
So they will promise us many things they go do for us for this local government. He even promise us they go even do overhead bridge for us. From St. Saviour
down to the work by area.
yes, so that all those road up there, they buy market and all those things, where they make many people they lose, they go job work and all those things. So that's all those things. He promised us all those things. So I believe in that I can do. So I believe say in does self see what you have to Obaseki. Say if you go talk something you not do, people they wait for you. The same people you still come meet them again for your vote. So I believe say you know one for that kind of mess so Obaseki for Puso. So I believe on Okpebholo say go do what he promised.
I'll give you small like 2 minutes when you celebrate Okpebholo with your talk.
My incoming governor, we celebrate you. You are a gentleman. We love you so much. That is why we voted for you. We all come out in mass and voted for you. Despite the threat and all those things.
Yes.
Today we believe in you. We believe you not disgrace us and you're not going to fool us by the grace of God. We continue to support you forever.
Comrade Osarobo Idahosa. You see, Okpebholo see as they sweet for your lips, see as they sweet for your tongue. All your mind you just they celebrate. See all your people stand with you now.
Yeah.
Nobody even everybody comes sit down with you for her and say, we don't get time. It don't activate. And this activation make it be betterment for these their people. And they rely on you. They believe say only they feel reach top. Go they bring these things for them. And I believe say make God not still fail you. And make you not fail yourself. And make Wuru not enter on now. Because where Friday, it is difficult for development to come. My people, we don't turn down Gidigba since with comrade Osarobo Idahosa. He don't chook mouth for so many areas. He don't happy Kule. He don't celebrate Kule. He don't they happy. He said, and your celebration will take from now till the day of inauguration. That he believe in Okpebholo, he believe so Okpebholo. Now quiet man where he say, waiting he want to do many pass the talk when he want talk. So he say believe and where and we carry Waka committers today when he ring us green. Say more join us celebrate small. He not go maybe say TMC TV where he say he there with the Gidigba during campaign. They make that they see what they happen for other areas online and he can say TMC TV must come in house today to go celebrate with her. Make una not forget say as we see him, that's what we dey talk am. We know the table him. My name still remain Articulate Patriot. TMC TV Radio Podcast. Purely Pidgin. Thank you very much.